Hi, I would like to present you the application, the web application I call Asset Bank. It's an application where you can create a tree of categories, and afterwards you can add assets to each category and organize them the way you want. I have an example tree here made up of some categories, so I'll add a new root category called space, and now I will also add two subcategories to it, one called Jupiter and the other one called Mars. Okay, I will also add a new icon to the category, maps, okay, an airplane, and I will create a new version for the tree. Now I can add assets to the categories. I'll go to Jupiter, add a photo. Okay, the photo was added, and now I can go to the editor, to the first image editor, where you can add effects to the photo and also add some icons or text boxes or brush. For example, let me add some confusion to the image or some white noise. Some effects are slower than others, like the bloom effect is slower, so you have to be patient sometimes. It needs more computing. Now here is the bloom effect. I also have this button on the top, this checkbox, which says if you uncheck this checkbox, the effects will be applied on top of each other. For example, now I unchecked it and I will add pixelate to the image, and afterwards I'll do it negative. Now the negative version of the image is also pixelated. That happens because I unchecked the checkbox, this checkbox. So if I continue, I can manipulate the image as much as I want, to the point it won't be recognizable after a while. Okay, let me restart. So I have also an upper layer on the canvas where you can add a brush or checkboxes or text boxes, sorry, with text. Hello from Jupiter, hello from Jupiter. But this is an upper layer. What does that mean? That if I add an effect on the image, like blocks or negatives, where is negatives? The effect will apply only to the image layer and not to the upper layer. In order to achieve the effect for all the image, I have to merge both layers with this button. Now that I merge the layers, if I do it negative again, the effect will apply to all objects in the image, because I copied the upper layer to the bottom layer, and that causes the effect to apply to all elements on the image. Okay, let me save this version. Okay, I also saved that image, and I want to show you also that some effects have this lasso tool and this crop tool. This means that you can apply the current effect for an area. And if I uncheck again the restart on effect change checkbox, you can add too many spots the effects. Here I'll add some white noise. And imagination is your limit. Okay, let me add to Jupyter this 1, 2. Okay, now I have 3 images. I can use the second editor by selecting them. I selected all of them, and now I go to composition. Here you can composite with the images, shuffle them. Change the background. And so on. You can also copy and add more images. Copy. And I will save it to space category. And now I have a new space image. That's it. And I can also continue the manipulated composition image as much as I want. Thank you.